This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kenneth Chiplanders. Pointe West 3-bedroom/3-bath with 2-car garage and in mint condition. End unit with great light and near clubhouse and pool. Natural gas cooking and water heater. All tile first floor and all laminate on second floor. Granite counters and stainless appliances add to the value of this perfect home. Great as a second home for the winter, vacations, or as a family home. Just lock and leave. For more information, review the details below.